yeah, I'll go through this really quick just with the scatter diagram. I made a scatter diagram. A scatter diagram, really important. I'm using the same data set. With this same data set, I'm going to show you a scatter diagram compares quantitative to quantitative. Okay, it looks at quantitative variable and the relation to another set of quantitative data. So you've got a quantitative data right here. Um, the delivery time for the, that's what it says, rush hour, and then non-rush hour. And so you've got the non-rush hour delivery time and the rush hour delivery time for the first 100 pizzas. You know, one paired with one, two paired with two, so on and so forth. And you'll notice it's just a big giant glob. There's no relation when it's just a solid line going straight across. What that says is there's no relation at all. So what I did in order to make this is I literally just highlighted the first pizza, the first 90 pizzas. Okay, and then I came over here, pressed Control, and I did the same exact thing. Okay. Well, let's see. Insert, and I came up here and I said, okay, give me a scatter plot. Okay, oh, there we go. It worked. So it gave me a scatter plot, and then I put in a whole bunch of information. So like I said, it's for comparing quantitative to quantitative data. Another thing that you can do that I always suggest, I'm going to zoom in a little bit again. You go to Design, Add Chart Element, and I always like doing a trend line. It just gives you a nice line, and then saying, hey, this is what the relationship of the data looks like. Then if you come over here, you can change the color of it. You can change the weight of it. You can change a whole bunch of stuff over here. So just be aware that you can change a whole bunch of stuff. And so that's what that is. And then, so that one has no relationship at all. But what if I wanted to know, hey, is there a relationship between my other variables? Okay. So what I did is I said, okay, is there a difference, or is there a relationship between delivery time for the third pizza and the temperature of the third pizza? So what I did is I highlighted the third pizza and the temperature of the third pizza at the same time. And then I went into Insert, Chart, sorry, wrong chart, Scatter, and you'll notice once again Scatter, and then I'm going to do Design, Add Chart Element, and then Trend Line. So this trend line shows me, hey, there's a nice linear relationship, and that linear relationship is saying that as the travel time increases, the temperature of the pizza decreases. So it's an inverse relationship or a negative relationship. Next, last but not least, we've got a contingency, or sorry, we've got a scatter plot for the first pizza compared to the second pizza. So what I did is I just highlighted the first two pizzas. Okay. And then I'll zoom in a little bit. Then I'll do Insert, and then I'm going to do Scatter Plot again. And you'll notice, there's a positive relationship. There's a positive relationship as the first delivery time increases. So I'll just delete this right here because I put in the axes titles. As the delivery time for the first pizza increases, the delivery time for the second pizza also increases because they have to deliver the first one first, and then they'll go to the second one after that. So when it goes up, if one goes up while the other one goes up, that's a positive relationship. If one goes down while the other one is going up, that's a negative relationship. And then this one right here is just completely unrelated. There's no rhyme or reason to it going up or down. So that right there is a scatter plot. And so in this lecture, we've gone through scatter plots, we've gone through box and whisker, and you can see there's a whole bunch of other stuff that you can work on in here as well. So hopefully that was beneficial, and that'll help you guys get done everything that you need to get done.